Hi, I'm Leah, and I would like to introduce the Flo Rak line of gravity flow systems provided by Gauer Metal Products. Gauer has been designing and manufacturing gravity flow systems since the late 1940s, and we have seen it all. When you are looking into various material handling providers, there are many factors that need to be evaluated, and choosing the right partner is among the most important. As we all know, the primary concern when outfitting any new or remodeled facility is always cost, which luckily is where we shine. However, as you also know, the cost is not always so easy to assess. There are many factors that every facility must consider when evaluating their cost. Every facility manager's favorite acronym, ROI, seems to come to mind immediately. You will also have to evaluate pick rates, presentation, space utilization, labeling requirements, pick accuracy, ergonomics, etc. The importance of these benefits will vary depending on whether you are dealing with a warehouse or a retail facility. It will also vary if you are dealing with dozens of bays and hundreds of products, or hundreds of bays and thousands of products. Gauer has been working with customers to address these issues for over 75 years and has the know-how to put the right solution with the right customer. Anyone who claims to have a one-size-fits-all product has not been listening to their customers. Gauer has succeeded in properly moving both heavy products, such as batteries and ammunition, as well as light products, such as coffee pods and computer parts, even when the density requirements had these stacked on the small edge. Please let us know what you are looking to flow, and we would be happy to explore solutions for your company. Thank you so much for stopping by.